In this video, I'll show you how to add a manager to your Google Business profile in 2026. Start by signing into your Google Business profile account. Once you're inside, select the business profile you want to manage. Next, go to the business profile settings and look for the Users or People and Access section. Open it to view the users who currently have access to the profile. After that, click Add User or Invite User. Enter the email address of the person you want to add as a manager. Make sure you use the Google account email address they want to use for managing the profile. Now, select the manager role from the list of available access levels. Review the permissions and confirm that manager is the role you want to assign. Next, click Invite or Send Invitation. Google will send an email invitation to the person you added. Once they receive the invitation, they'll need to open the email and accept the invitation using their Google account. After they accept, they'll be able to access and help manage the Google Business profile. Finally, return to the Users or People and Access section to confirm that the new manager has been added successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a manager to your Google Business profile in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.